How to create a horizontal waterfall chart in Google Sheets. Horizontal waterfall chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a horizontal waterfall chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a horizontal waterfall chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a horizontal waterfall chart with 3 data columns as follows. 2 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Important: horizontal waterfall chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below, please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open sub-menu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Search for Horizontal Waterfall Chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your Data from Sheet name drop-down. Note: header row check box is checked because data contains header row. Select metric amount. Select dimension category. Select dimension year. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Horizontal waterfall chart is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Header Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section. You can show or hide label. You can set the vertical position. You can set the horizontal position. You can set the maximum width. Click on the Label Font Style section to set the font style. Click on the Y-axis Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label Font Style section to set the font style and color. This is an example of don't float totals. This is an example of float totals. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pane to edit the properties. Click on the Set as Total section. To make the totals float, slide the Set as Total button to left. To make the totals don't float, slide the Set as Total button to right. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pane to edit the properties. Click on the Box Color section. You can set the color of boxes. Click on the Bar Label section. You can append $ as a prefix to the numbers. You can set the position of bar label. Click on the Save button. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.